megastar Chiranjeevi has expressed his solidarity with Allu Arjun's family by visiting his residence. This comes 2 hours after his arrest. Megastar Chiranjeevi is at Allu Arjun's residence even as we speak, speaking to the family members and expressing his confidence and also his solidarity with the family of Allu Arjun. These are the visuals of Megastar Chiranjeevi making his way into Allu Arjun's residence in Hyderabad. Aneri, if you could tell us about Chiranjeevi's visit at such a crucial time, because the family was in for a shock when the police paid a visit to their residence early this morning, and upon his arrest, it's really unfathomable what's happening for the family.
Well, definitely it's a shocking thing for the family members of Allu Arjun because they had not expected that he would get arrested, but this comes at the time when he was already booked and there were 3 people whose arrest was already made, and this comes as a surprise and a shock for the Allu Arjun's family, and that is the reason why we see actor Chiranjeevi had also arrived at the residence of Allu Arjun. Earlier, what we were told through our sources is that Chiranjeevi was supposed to come to the Chikatpalli police station where Allu Arjun was brought, but then due to the security reasons, police officials had told Chiranjeevi not to come to the police station, and then that's the reason why we see that Chiranjeevi had arrived at the residence of Allu Arjun along with his wife at Allu Arjun's residence. And now, as we are en route to the Nampally court, Allu Arjun has already been brought to the court, and there will be a hearing that will begin very shortly, and we'll have to see what would be the next court order in this regard.
Well, stay on with me, Aneri. We have also accessed Sandhya Theatre's letter to the Hyderabad police, and the letter dated 2nd December, 2 days before the premiere of Pushpa 2. Sandhya Theatre had requested for arrangement of bandobast on 4/12/2024 and 5/12/2024 at Sandhya 70mm Theatre, releasing Pushpa 2. And in the letter, we have the Sandhya Theatre requesting the police over there to make arrangements. Let me read out the contents of the letter. It says, we request you to arrange to provide... Well, this is the letter, viewers, that we have accessed. This is exactly what we have been looking for, whether there was any intimation given to the Hyderabad police in advance. And what we have right now, what I have right now in my hand is the letter that has been sent by Sandhya Cine Enterprises to the Hyderabad police on the 2nd of December, 2 days before the premiere of Allu Arjun's movie Pushpa 2. We have Sandhya Theatre writing a mail to the police assistant commissioner of police, requesting him for a bandobast on not just 4th of December but also the 5th of December, because that was when the movie was being released. So despite prior intimation, there was no security arrangements made by the police. This is a big lead coming in, the biggest lead that Republic TV has accessed for our viewers. The letter that has been written by Sandhya Theatre has been accessed. In fact, I have Aneri also live with me. Aneri, we have accessed the letter written by Sandhya Theatre to the Assistant Commissioner of Police. Take us through the contents of it. Aneri, if you could hear me, we have accessed the letter written by Sandhya Theatre to the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Chikatpalli Police Station. If you could take us through the contents of the letter, what was the request placed by the theatre management to the police on the 2nd of December?
Regarding this letter, which has been put up by the Sandhya Theatre through the Chikatpalli police on the 2nd of December. But yes, what the letter says is that we request to arrange to provide police bandobast at Sandhya Theatre, RDC Crossroad in Hyderabad in connection with the release of Pushpa 2 movie. And also at the same time, they had also mentioned that we are screening the picture of Pushpa 2 starring Allu Arjun, and also at the same time Rashmika Mandanna and others actors at so basically this letter states that they are screening the movie, but they did not mention anything in regard with the arrival of Allu Arjun at the theatre there.
Right, Aneri, now KTR's charge against Revanth Reddy makes complete sense because the police was alerted 2 days before the premiere of the movie, and we have now the Hyderabad police arresting Allu Arjun, saying that his team didn't coordinate and didn't inform in advance, whereas the Sandhya Theatre has clearly requested for the arrangement of bandobast on the 4th of December, and this letter has been dated 2/12/2024. That is 2 days before the premiere of the movie. A letter had been sent to the Assistant Commissioner of Police, which was conveniently ignored by not providing the required security cover that was necessary at the theatre venue. And this is exactly what resulted in the death of one person during the stampede, which was triggered by Allu Arjun's visit. Aneri, if you could hear me.
Well, Deepak, that's right. This is a viral letter. Basically, we are yet to get any sort of confirmation from the Sandhya Theatre in this regard or the police officials. But yes, the letter has been stating that we request to you to arrange to provide police bandobast at Sandhya Theatre or at RTC Crossroad on 4th of December, because there will be heavy crowd, heavy fan crowd, as the hero and heroine and VIP of VIPs and production unit of the film will be coming to the movie, is what it states. But this is a viral letter which is going on social media. We are yet to get any sort of confirmation in this regard from the police officials.
Right, Aneri, if this is authenticated, what does it mean? Is this arrest going to be, a false arrest made by the Hyderabad police? What will be the further course of action?
Remains to be seen, because this letter seems to be a viral letter, but police has, during the investigation and when the process had begun after the death of one woman, we had seen that police in its case and in its FIR had mentioned that that basically Sandhya Theatre, Allu Arjun's team and also Sandhya Theatre management had not informed police officials about the of Allu Arjun at the theatre, which was the way for mentioned in the FIR. In regard to this letter, we'll have to wait until we get a confirmation or as to is this a confirmed letter that was given by the Sandhya Theatre to the police officials on 2nd or not.
Right, Aneri. In fact, my colleague Gesu Bharadwaj is also joining me live from the newsroom. Gesu, if you could take us through the contents of this viral letter that has been accessed.
Right, Deepak. So, Republic has accessed a viral letter which was written to the Assistant Commissioner of Police of the Chikatpalli police station, exactly where Allu Arjun was also taken right after his arrest. And this letter clearly states, Sandhya Theatre had written this letter to the Assistant Commissioner of Police, which states that there will be a heavy crowd of fans near the theatre because the hero, heroine and the VIPs along with the production unit of the film will come to see the movie in the theatre. They also mentioned the date, that is the 4th of December, the same date, Deepak, when the stampede also happened, which ended up killing one 39-year-old woman and left her 13-year-old son extremely bruised. This is the same reason why Allu Arjun has also been taken for questioning and picked up today morning by the police, the Hyderabad police. So it remains to be seen whether or not this letter can be verified, and if at all this letter is completely real, then it remains to be seen what the next action will be from the side of the Hyderabad police, because this then will account as a failure from the side of the police to have picked up Allu Arjun despite Sandhya Theatre sending in a memo asking for extra and robust security, which was not provided to them at the due time. That is on the 4th of December. Deepak.
Right, Gesu, if this letter is ever confirmed, then it is a big embarrassment for Revanth Reddy's police, because an intimation was made 2 days in advance and still the police couldn't provide the necessary security cover. In fact, we have more breaking news that's coming in. Telangana Chief Minister's first response to Allu